Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making white chocolate pistachio nut scones. For the scones, in a large mixing bowl, cut the cold butter into the flour using a wire pastry cutter or your fingers. The key is to handle the dough as little as possible so as to keep the scones light and tender. Add the rest of the dry ingredients to the mixture. In a small bowl, lightly beat an egg into buttermilk and vanilla. With nimble fingers, part the dry mixture to make a small well in the middle of the bowl. Pour the wet mixture into this well and work everything together. Toss in the white chocolate chips and the pistachio nuts and continue to work until everything is just mixed together, stopping as soon as everything holds. Preheat the oven to 425. Turn the dough onto a well-floured surface and divide in half. Work both halves into round flat circles, then cut your scones into 6, so you will have 12 scones in total. Place all 12 scones onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown on top. Let the scones cool before glazing. To glaze your scones, first, finely chop your pistachio nuts and set them aside. In a small microwave-safe bowl, melt the white chocolate in your microwave. When the chocolate is just starting to melt, remove from the microwave. Add a splash of buttermilk to your chocolate and mix with the back of the spoon until well blended and the two form a nice gooey syrup. For each scone, drizzle the syrup over the top of the scone going side to side. Sprinkle the chopped nuts over the glaze, ensuring the nuts stick into that gooey drizzle. Serve immediately. Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.